here. We came from a faraway country, Turkey, but after coming here, we don't think Turkey is so far away. There were so many patients, and just 10 Turkish doctors. Some of us operated, and 7 of us looked to other patients. The people of Somali was no different than Anatolian Turkish people. There was just one difference between you and us. It was the color of skin. If I was blonde, I was blonde. If I have no eyes, I can't understand where am I. Am I in a city of Turkey or am I in Kalkai? Nearly same. For example, yesterday night there was a patient, old woman, very old woman. She was praying Allah for us, and she was saying many things. She was saying her knees was pain, something like that. And she was speaking just like my grandmother, my father's mother. Just same, nothing different, just same. I'm sure one day, maybe in near future, maybe 20 years later, after 20 years, Somalian people are going to help to other countries, maybe Balkans, maybe Caucasia, Russia, to other African countries. Somalia will be a better country, and you will go to other countries as we come here. Maybe you will come to Turkey to help us in the near future. I hope so, inshallah. Thank you. And your people were very kind against us. They helped us. They tried to do whatever we want. Thank you very much.